ViraVac smoke evacuation unit, which is on the door knock units, which are here at York Hospital. They're also portable units, so you can take them off of the door knocks and make them portable. And we spoke to Biomed about that. So we may be able to make some of them portable, and we'll adapt that to the particular surgery room and procedure. The first thing I want to go over is the EZ-Link, which is this black cord. And this is essentially used on every case. And it is a reusable unit. It'll stay with the unit. And it's a black piece. There's a little piece in the back that I can show that it'll hook into. And when you plug that in, you'll hear that activate for a moment. And that's going to actually be the way you turn the machine on and off. It's called EZ-Link. So it stays with the unit. Do not throw them out. And what you want to do is, when you start the case, you want to grab the EZ-Link cord, which is about a 10-foot cord, and then you want to hook it onto your Bovie blue piece on the Bovie pencil cord. If you look here on the actual EZ-Link, there's a blue piece there. That's your Bovie cord. You want to take any portion of the blue Bovie cord and just put that in there.
Thank you.
Any Bovie will work with that. It doesn't have to be a Buffalo Filter product. It's whoever product. So now what will happen is, when the doctor goes to activate the Bovie pencil, the machine will turn on automatically. When he takes his finger off of the Bovie pencil, it'll turn the machine off, and it'll run for probably 3 seconds afterwards just to get the residual smoke out. So that's why that's an important and key component to that. It's called the EZ-Link. It really needs to be on every unit. So if the product were running and you had hit that, there is the switch here. If you want to do it manually, you can turn it on and off. But you can see that if you're doing it manually and you're not using EZ-Link, that'll continue to run, and you're going to have to go up and adjust it manually to turn it on and off. On the side here, there's 3 speeds. There's low, medium, and high. Our suggestion is to keep it at low and to see if that works for most of the smoke evacuation. If not, you can go up to the next one up, medium. The high will rarely be used unless it's a very, very plume-filled case, and you'll know which cases those are. So you have 3 different speeds: high, medium, and low. The other thing you'll see on here is you'll have the light indicators. You have the green light, which is at the top. That'll show that the actual filter life has 35 hours of life in it. So each one will run depending on how often you do use the actual unit. So that's at 35 hours. Halfway would be 17. And then at the very bottom here, you have the little cross there. That'll blink red. If it blinks red, you can do that one next case, or if it blinks red during the procedure, you can finish that case. You may or may not see that blinking red during the case or before you start the case, but the next time you go to use the unit, that will be a full red bar in there. It won't be blinking. The machine will not turn on. It's not broken. You need to change the filter. The way you change the filter is very simple. There's a little piece on top. You just want to press and hold that and pull that out. You're going to red bag this, any red bag, and then discard it. In Biomed, they have extra filters available that will only fit the ViraVac unit. And the way to put it in is very simple. Out of the box, you just take it and put it right back in, and snaps in, and it'll go back and read at 35 hours of filter life. On the actual filter are your actual inserts for the whatever type of smoke evacuation product you're going to use. You have options of tubing or a smoke pencil that has the Bovie suction built in. It depends on what type of case you're going to use. If you were to just use tubing, it'll go into the 7/8 inch. And that just fits in right in there. It's just a press fit and goes in. Okay, that's your 7/8 inch. Then we have a 3/8 inch or a 1/4 inch. You're not going to use the 1/4 inch here. It's never going to be used. We don't know why they have it, but it's probably an FDA issue. So you won't use that. 3/8 inch you may use depending on the disposable product that you choose to use. Okay, that's essentially it. It's very easy. There's not an on and off switch on here. The on and off switch again is with the EZ-Link, or there may be a foot pedal attachment there. You can do that with a foot pedal. Our suggestion though is to do away with the foot pedal because they're cumbersome and they may not fit well on the door knock. And again, just to review, you have 3 speeds, high, medium, and low, and then these bars here indicate your filter life.